Can you really earn unlimited on HandBucks as it looks like when you first come to the website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this platform. So I decided to take a closer look, and in this HandBucks review I'll give you an inside look and show you exactly how it works and my opinion about it. And let me just reveal right away, there are some quite important details you need to consider before you join, and I'll reveal all that, both the pros and the cons, in this video here, so then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and HandBucks is a platform you can join from all countries and do small different tasks. I'll show you what that is in just a second. And if we go to the FAQ section, you can see it actually says, how much can I earn? There is no limit. You can earn as much as you can. So I assume they mean that you can earn as much as you want. It's like not really great grammar, but anyways, they also do say that the average user earns $5 to $10 daily. But it does say there is no limit. It's basically up to you, but the average earner is around $5 to $10 daily. So let's take a closer look. Is this actually really true? Can you earn $10 or maybe even unlimited here? Let me log in and then we'll take a look. So I have now logged into HandBucks, and let's go over the different ways it offers to earn, because one of them, for example, is microtasks, and here you can find different small micro jobs you can do. You can see how much you would get, and there's quite a few, not that many right now as the time of recording this video. I have like 39 options there, but you can see here I just need to go, for example, the text here is just get paid immediately. So then you click here, and you need to read, you need to visit a certain website. Once it reloads, you need to stand answering all the questions and solve the puzzle, and click allow until you see congratulations. So, like, what are you actually doing? What are you allowing? You just say like you will allow something, solve a puzzle. That's quite a lot of work to earn. Let's see here. $0.002, right? That's why, like, here these microtasks, they are actually created by other users. You can also post a job here, but many of them, if we look at others here, this one, for example, here, just click my link and follow the steps on the link. Yeah, but like, what exactly is that, right? Again, you'd get like 0.003 cents for that. So the tasks are a little bit like strange, not very well explained. You need to then also provide proof, but many of them takes a lot of effort actually compared to the salary. And also some of them, no, not all of them, I'm not saying about any particular here, but from what I've seen, some of them are also unethical. It helps people like rig systems or rig social media, or even participate in unethical things. But overall, that's just why you should be careful when you choose something, and also the value you get for your time. You see, for example, also here, visit the first article 1 to 2 minutes, then go to other sites, then when pop-up ads, then click them, visit at least 3 pages, then screenshot your browser history, approve, and have the current date and time and all pages visited. All that you need to screenshot and prove here. And this will take quite a bit of time, quite a bit of effort for $0.002. So that means you would need to do maybe like close to 500 tasks like this to just earn $1. So that's something to be aware of. The microtasks here, in my opinion, they are definitely something that is not worth it. But HandBucks also offers other ways to earn, so let's talk about that next. So there is also Offerwalls and Surveys, and you can see all this here. If you used get paid to site or service sites before, many of these will be familiar. They're basically the same as most others also offer there. So you can find a good amount of different ways to take paid surveys, playing games and all that. However, in my experience, I would say that the offers you can find here, again, you can find them on many other sites, but they just pay better on many other sites, and also the overall user experience on many other sites are better. So that's why I prefer for these particular offers, even though that is actually one of the best earning options on HandBucks, in my opinion. There are just better platforms where you can take the exact same offers. I will also leave a link below to a top list where you can find the top survey and get paid to sites in your country, so you can see that. But let's quickly also go over a couple of other ways you can earn here before we will then go over how you can get paid, because that's of course also very important to consider. So HandBucks has shortened links, and this is where you can click and then an ad will pop up. But in my experience, I never use these shorter links or shortened links platforms or offers to earn, because my antivirus program always goes crazy when I do, and it's just not worth it. And usually there's a lot of crazy things going on. Like any platform that offers this is just something like, in general, I stay away from that earning opportunity for sure. And I have not seen any of the sites that I see as worthwhile that having this shortened links, because it's just too risky for the user. So, you know, that's one I would stay away from. They have something a little bit similar like PTC, like pay to click, where you can then view ads and you can see what you would earn here, 0.00035 for 15 seconds. So very low rewards, but that's in general how it is with pay to click. Like, it's not that it pays extremely lower than most other regular PTC site or pay to click sites, but there are definitely PTC sites that pay way better and that are better. Like, I also have a list of the best PTC sites on my website. I'll also leave a link to that below. But let's now talk about how you can get paid if you still decide to use these earning options. So when you come to the withdraw section, you can see there are different ways to get paid, and I do like that it has this many different ways. You can get paid per year, RTM for example, Payoneer, also cryptocurrencies and gift cards. So it has a lot of different options, and whether you want to get paid for example in cash or crypto, it does offer that, and I do like that. And you can see also, for example, for RTM, the minimum withdrawal is only $0.5, like 50 cents. So very low payout threshold there. For some of the others, you know, for example Payoneer, it's $50 there per year, also 50 cents. So it really depends. For Bitcoin it's $10, so the threshold does depend on that, but it starts very low, and I do like the different payout options. So I would say that this is, in my opinion, without a doubt, the best thing about HandBucks is that it has many different payout options, some of them with a low payout threshold, but in my opinion that does not really matter when the earning potential is as low as it is here compared to many others, and when there are so many tasks that are just really something I would completely stay away from. So to sum it all up, HandBucks can be a way to earn some extra money on the side for free, but it is not unlimited earnings. And yes, maybe some users can earn $5-10 per day, but it will be significantly harder on HandBucks compared to many other similar sites that I have tested, and I have tested hundreds of different sites. So I'm not saying that you can't earn, you can, but I just prefer to use the platforms that are the most effective, and this is not one of them in my personal opinion. If you have other opinions, other experiences, please feel free to share below. I would love to hear that also, but I just prefer to use other options. So for example, if you want to see a list of my top recommended survey and get paid to sites in your country, I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and choose your country, see the best options there. I also do have a list of the best PTC sites. I'll leave a link to that below where you can earn by clicking ads, and also I'll leave a link below to a list of the best microtasks, these social media tasks that you can also find on platforms where I find them better anyway. So I'll leave links to that below, so then you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out if this is the right platform for you. Many of you have actually asked about it recently, so this is my experience, my opinion, and then hopefully it has helped you make a decision about whether this is for you or not. And if it did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.